So how do you use the markup feature on the iPhone video? Well, let me explain it because it's obviously different than just using a photo, right? So if it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get it started. So of course, inside of the Photos app, when you go to a picture and make it go full screen, you can click on the edit and use the markup right there to, draw on the top of it. Right, so that's simple, but for the videos we don't have the same options in here, so we have to do it a little bit different, right? In fact, there isn't any way to do it using the built-in tools, and instead you need to get a third-party video editor. So there is the CapCut, which I usually recommend people to get because it's freely available for the most part. You can get it for free from the App Store. You can set it up like this, and let's start a new video project. So we're going to give it full access to our videos as such, and let me use this one as an example. And you can see that there is the ability to make some edits to it and whatnot, but the thing we are interested in is actually adding something on the top of it. Right, so there are more ways how you can technically do it. Like there are like different texts you can add on top, but what I would do in this case is that I would go to the Notes app. You can see the regular Notes app. I would start a new note and go to the markup tool, and in here I would just draw something, whatever it might be, right, something like that, and I would capture a screenshot to save that into my gallery, right? So this is the markup which I created. I'm going to hit save to photos, and then now I'm going to come back to the CapCut and add this thing as the overlay. So I'm going to click on plus photos and this, right? So right now it is added at the end of the clip, but what I can do is select it and click on the overlay button like so. You can see that it went below, and I can drag it toward the beginning in here. And now I have the markup added and placed on the top of my footage, which obviously doesn't look ideal. So we can make some changes to it, like we can select it and also, like add some effects to it and play around with the filters. And we can, like, for example, remove the background from this thing, right? And now you can see we only have the thing left. So now I have this markup over my video, but it was quite of a process, not ideal, but I guess it gets the job done. If we want to, we can now click on export and the whole video will be saved in our gallery. So that's something I would personally do. Let me know in the comments below if you also managed to make it work. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.